Welcome. In this video, what we're going to do is calculate the date of the employee and their age within another row within the table. So the first thing we're going to do is right click here and insert. Remember, it inserts to the left. We insert a row, and instead of putting today's date in here and then their age, we're just going to make it simple and put it all into one formula. So the first thing we'll do is rename this column 1. So go ahead and click up into here and re-edit this as age. Alright, now to create this formula, we need to first take today's date and subtract it from their birth date. So that would be equal to today, which is the today formula. Notice that it auto populates here. Put that within parentheses, because that's today's date, minus this cell C2, and divided by 365.25 days. Now, if we click this, we're going to get the wrong answer. We're going to get a large number because, remember, PEMDAS, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, it needs to do what's in parentheses first. So I'll go ahead and click that and show you. It's giving me a date here. So what I need to do is go up here into this formula and then put a set of parentheses around the date and just this calculation, and then it will then give us this date. Now let's change this back to a number. And notice the number here is 66.71, which is a rounded number. Now we don't want that rounded down, or if we get rid of the decimal points, it would round it up, and we don't want to add years to your date, right? So now we're going to use the round down formula. So we go ahead, go back into the formula bar, hit round, and notice if you forget, it's round down. So finish down and parentheses, which will be first the number. So this is the number that we've calculated. Then we hit a comma here, and the number of digits, which is 0, and then end parentheses, and we'll have 66.6 or 66 years old. So now to format all of these cells, we can right click. Notice this little black, you see there's a white cross, four arrows, and then the black cross. We can click the black cross and scroll that all the way down, which will now drag down the formula and reformat all the cells to the age. Now we have an issue here because this person doesn't have a birth date in here. But this way, once we've created this table, now we can go ahead and organize and sort it. So let's say we wanted to sort everyone who was between 50 and 55 years old. Now we have a list of everyone between 50 and 55 years old. Okay, thank you very much, and look forward to the next video. Have a good day.